I'm going to show you guys how to use Carb Cocktail and Raise the Root to get insane volume that is going to last you through pretty much any holiday party or event you're going to. So I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to take Carb Cocktail. This is a thickener. I usually take about a quarter size and I'll apply this root to ends. Pair this with Raise the Root. You guys, I swear you're going to have insane volume that's going to last you through like any holiday party or event you're going to. But if you'll notice, you want to spray it underneath on top of the section. I like this way better than any other root volumizer I've used because it's not mousse based, so it doesn't get that sticky, tacky feeling and weigh your hair down. Hello, volume! I mean, this style pretty much speaks for itself. There's so much bounce. It doesn't have like that stiff, crunchy feel. My fine hair feels way thicker using the Carb Cocktail. So I'd say I think this is the perfect gift for someone during the holidays. It has everything you need to get like that full voluminous look. Also, the fact that everything fits in here makes this perfect for traveling as well.